Hey everyone, my name's Kevin. Welcome here today. Today we're doing Yaroa, Dominican dish made up of fries. Essentially, we would know it as kind of like a poutine. So let's begin. All right, simple ingredients: salt, a chicken bouillon, pepper, some Tex-Mex, and some chili powder and paprika mixed into there. And it's roughly a tablespoon of each of those. Pretty straightforward and simple. We got a cup of tomato sauce, a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, half a yellow onion, 1 clove of garlic, 1 potato, and some green onions, some ketchup and some mayo. This is gonna be glorious. So chop our potato up into French fries. Lay them on a baking sheet, drizzle them with some olive oil, maybe some salt and pepper, throw them in the oven at roughly 370 degrees to 400 degrees, 20 minutes, it should be good. We take a little bit of olive oil, let that heat up. We're gonna cut up our onion now. All right, so that's gonna get cooking. Lean ground beef, I like a little bit of the fat in there. We're gonna add that to the pan, and we're gonna mix that around and cook until it's brown. So we got our salt here. We're gonna add the chicken, spice, pepper, taco seasoning, Tex-Mex. Now we're gonna add our tomato sauce. This is roughly a cup. Give this a quick stir. Let the sauce warm up, it'll start bubbling. And that's all you need, and that's done. Potatoes have come out of the oven. They were in there for roughly 20 minutes. So now we are gonna put this on a plate. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the ketchup and the mayo, and we're gonna drizzle over top. Just gonna do some of that. Get the mayo here. Now the beef. Alright, so we are going to just liberally top this. Goodness, I just want to dig into this right now. Cheese time. A bunch of cheese, the more the merrier, right? Get all that in there. Alright, so now you're going to want to melt that cheese, put it in the oven for a bit, melt it, and we are good to go. Alright, so we just pulled this out of the oven. We are simply going to take more ketchup and more mayo. Just make a nice little swirl on top there. Got the mayo. And we're going to add some green onions for color. So where's that? Don't need that many. Just hit it. Yaroa is done. But you can't enjoy Yaroa without an ice cold beer. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for our next one. Please subscribe.